Look no further than the 2018 Ram 1500. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Ram 1500 delivers gritty towing capability, passenger-focused comfort and safety features, and surprising fuel efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, 4x4, fog lamps, backup camera, remote engine start, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, power driver seat. Don't do the job unless you can do it right. Drive the truck that has the capability you need, the Ram 1500.